Yeah, hi, this is Al Hutton with Indoff. My boards are at ahutton.com. This is our newest glass changeable magnetic dry erase board, which we think is a great product with a lot of features which you should really like. This particular one is 24 inches by 36 inches, and it can be set up 4 different ways. These are the bars that allow it to be held together, and there's a piece of glass, there's this bar, and then there's a white steel panel behind the insert. If you look at this quickly, and there's one of these is on my website, there's 4 ways you can set up the board. It can be set up as a top load portrait, a side load portrait, a top load landscape, so the board is wider rather than tall, or a side load landscape. So the features of this are great that you can just use it any way you need to it. And if you start using it one way and you need it another way, you can redo the wall fastenings and flip the board so it's usable many ways. The board comes with a little a little tray down the bottom, which comes off so you can use it or not use it. It slips right off, and it only covers about 3/8 of an inch or a 1/2 inch of the board, so it's a nice feature. We also sell separately this very strong magnetic tray. And the nice feature of this is it can hold on to the steel section so it's really not on the board, and you can still hold markers. If you were using a board in another configuration where you had the bars at the top or the bottom, you can use it that way too, and it would be a great option if you need a place to hold your markers. The nice thing about a changeable board, and I'm going to do a second video which is just about the type of inserts we sell to go in here, because there's a gap that's 40 thousandths thick. This piece of steel separates the glass from the steel behind it. And we have inserts that I'll show you in the second video about that. But the nice thing about a changeable board like this is you can have the board, and let's say this is an insert and you need it changed. You can sit here and write over one of the positions or even a whole word and white it out, and then you can add information in another part. So not only is it changeable by us making a new board, but you can modify it yourself. If you were making a ton of changes, like this was just totally inappropriate, you can buy a new insert from us. You don't take it off the wall. You don't have to unscrew it. You just pop the insert in and out. Our phone number, 860-632-2026, extension 111. Boards can ship very quickly. They're usually in stock. In the inserts, we can make those in a week or 2. Look at the second video and you'll see the different type of inserts. Thank you.